Hello everyone. Today I will show you how I made this simple, natural and classic baby Jesus nativity scene. This is natural clay. Every model in this nativity is made from it. This is Mother Mary. She was simple and kind, always trusting God. One day God chose her for a very special baby. She was a little scared but said, I trust God. And that's how a very special story begins. This is Joseph. He is a kind and humble man. He takes care of Mary every day. He works hard, builds, and helps everyone. He listens to God and protects his family. Right now, I am making baby Jesus, a tiny, special baby full of love and hope. He taught the world to be kind and gentle. He showed us how to love everyone, even those in need. He said, love one another, forgive even when it is hard. He healed the sick, comforted the sad, and brought peace everywhere. Even small acts of love matter, a smile, a helping hand, a kind word. Baby Jesus reminds us that goodness, faith, and love can shine in every heart, just like this little light in my hands. The little sheep and animals sat quietly around baby Jesus, calm and peaceful, feeling the love and joy of that special night. Even the smallest creatures are part of this beautiful story. Now we will color everyone and see how to do it step by step. I am making a house for the nativity scene. I am using simple materials like cardboard, bamboo stick, glue, an egg tray, colors, and dry leaves. Please watch and follow the steps. Everything is complete now. The house, all the clay models, everything is ready. I hope you liked it. If you did, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.